100% score at once. No CA or exam separate. Everything is just 100% in this case. So there's still provision for splitting it up. But in this case, it's not like that. Now we need to now look at the curriculum. Usually the most recent curriculum is going to be the one in force. I'm just assuming, so that should be the right curriculum. You must select a curriculum because it has to be mapped. Now let's save this and go back to verify the curriculum in force currently. I'm gonna need to close that. Okay, this is where you check curriculum. You could see that this is 2019-20 set, and that is the curriculum there. So I believe that is the most current curriculum, which came into force 2019 January. That's perfect. So since there's no other curriculum after that, so we stick with that curriculum. Probably later we may have to create another academic set so that we can have 2020-21, which I believe is the current set. We can do that later. No problem for now. So let's go back and College of Medicine and Health Sciences, drill down to Department of Medicine, and then year 1, go back. We've set up one course. You can see that one course is there. Add for the next one. The next one is going to be General Physics 1. Credit unit here is free. Course code is PHY111, and then pass mark 50, and then major must be passed, that, and then that. Next one. So in that case, let's save ad. Another one, experimental physics. Course code. Make sure you don't add unnecessary empty spaces. It will confuse the data. Then we have a credit unit of 1. And then we have a measure, pass mark, must be passed, and then that and that. Save that. General Biology 1. Credit units is 3. 50. That, and that. Okay. We've forgotten something, so we'll set that. Save ad. We have Introduction to Computer Science, which is 2 credit. And then we have the course code, which is CSC 111. Is 2 credit units. The pass mark 50. Major. Save ad. Okay, so let me just pause it a bit and complete it. Okay, so I've finished entering that. I think a few observations. You need to make sure you don't include punctuation in any phrase you're entering, like this comma. It's a kind of there's a deal breaker, so try not to include anything like that. And then also I noticed that the total number of credits here is about 23 for this first semester of year 1, so you want to make sure you make provisions for that. So this 20 is not going to work. If you register the students this way, it's going to stop. It's not going to register everything. It's going to stop once the number of credit units is up to 20. So you want to like increase it, so let me just say 30 for now, and then we'll see how we're going to change the rest. We'll change it from a central source so that this will not happen again in the future. Okay, so let's do that. 30. So you may need to confirm this with your management and update later. So these are official stuffs actually. Okay, so let's see where this is coming from, the setting. Okay, let's see the school. The setting is not here. Then let's see our setup again. Preference settings. Okay, do we have anything like that? Is also not here. Okay, we can sort that out later, or let me still see session order, curriculum setup, manage semester titles, course part. Okay, we'll find that out later. Now, another thing we will want to do. Okay, I believe you can set up all the other semesters and the departments from this little lecture, right? Now the next thing we want to make sure of is let's see. Okay, we want to make sure we set up 2020, 2021, and we'll set up the session as well. Let's do that. Okay, academic set. So we have 2019-20. The next one is going to be 2021, and entry date. When is that going to start? Let's just say it's starting like October 1st, 2020 to which is, this is an academic set, so definitely it's going to end the following year, right about the same time, October. Well, let's just October ending, and then course registration mode, auto register course semester. The matric year starts 2020. I hope that's what it is. The startup session. Okay, the dates, the data field matric number year must be unique. Okay, so that means we've used this before, so it's going to be 2021. Now, as part of the session, we have to select a matching session, which is 2020, 2021 as well. So we'll save like that. Now if you look at this, you will see we have 2019-20. The startup session is 2019-20 as well. Okay, so now we have 2021, 2021. So that is done. So once we save, immediately as you want to exit, it's going to tell you to configure to match those semester sessions and schools together. So when you see that, click OK. It's going to run for a while and then bring up that. So you want to maximize and then locate. So these are the unmapped years and semesters. So the school does not operate up to 9th, 10th semester. I guess you don't have any. Okay. So now you have 6-year course.